Good morning, Panthers. I'm Lily Dunn. Welcome to the morning announcements. Today is Monday, April 26. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please stand for our Panther Pledge. This pledge helps us remember to be safe, be respectful, and be an avid learner. As a Seminole Trails Panther, I will conduct myself at all times and in all places with honor and respect for myself, my classmates, my teachers, my school, and my community. Today's lunch menu is hot dog blueberry muffin platter, cucumber slices, assorted milk, and assorted fruit selections. Now here's Morgan for the weather.
Good morning, Panthers. I'm Morgan Calix for today's weather. It's currently a high of 81 degrees. It is currently 72 degrees, a low of 73 degrees with a 5% chance of rain. Tomorrow's high will be 86 degrees with a low of 73 degrees with a 17% chance of rain. April is Autism Awareness Month. The Autism Society of America celebrates its differences as it builds to work in an inclusive society where individuals with autism live fully through connection and acceptance. Please stay tuned for a short video after the announcements. I'm Morgan, signing off. Remember, Panthers, roar. We are ready for learning. We take ownership of our work. We have a positive attitude, and we are respectful to our classmates, teachers, and staff. Have a great day, Panthers.
That's fancy for the way he makes art. One must approach with grace. Excusez-moi, Sean. May I say bonjour, which is French for hello? I am très looking forward to us making art together and being friends.
But actually, when they invented the coal engine, most trains were painted black because of the dirty soot.
What?
Guys, I should tell you, Sean does things a little different.
I understand, Lionel. He's an artist, just like moi. Luckily, I'm practically an expert at making friends. Sean, I adore the trains you're setting up to paint. May I join you?
This sandwich has crunchy peanut butter.
Is that a oui or a no?
This is crunchy peanut butter, but I eat smooth. Smooth!
Why is he yelling?
I don't know. It's just peanut butter. Sorry, Sean, but don't worry. We'll ask my mom to make you a new sandwich.
Smooth peanut butter.
Definitely, buddy. Promise.
I only eat smooth.
Hey, I get it. I can't stand Brussels sprouts. What was that all about?
I have no idea. Sean didn't even look at me when I said bonjour.
And he got so upset over a sandwich. Sacre bleu!
I know what happened, Bree. I've forgotten how to make friends.
Oh, come on, Nancy. I didn't make friends with Sean either. And Lionel said he does things a little different. Remember?
Oui. Oh, maybe he meant Sean is rude?
Lionel didn't seem to think he was rude. Maybe there's something about Sean we just don't know.
Maybe, but what?
Hey, guys. Glad you're still here.
How's Sean?
Is he okay? He's fine. My mom's making him a new sandwich. So, I better explain.
Oui, because I am mystified. That's fancy for confused. I've never had so much trouble making friends with someone who's artistic.
Nancy, I didn't say Sean was artistic. I said he was autistic.
Oh,
autistic.
What's autistic?
Autistic means Sean's brain works kind of different than other people's.
It does?
How? For one thing, he doesn't really look at you when you talk to him.
Oh.
Yeah, he didn't look at us. Also, he likes doing the same things every day because it makes him feel happy. So, if something changes, whoa, he can get really upset.
So when Sean didn't look at me, it wasn't because he was being rude? Or didn't like me?
Nope. And when he started yelling about peanut butter, it's only because he's used to a different kind? Yep. I know it's not what we're used to, but it's just the way Sean is.
Ah, we.
Okay. Of course, he's also really fun once you get to know him. He's just sensitive.
Sensitive? That's fancy for wanting things to be done a certain way. I know just how he feels.
Lionel, I have something to show you.
Let me guess. A train? Gotta go.
Wait, now that we understand Sean better, we need another chance to make friends.
Okay. He takes a walk every day at 3 o'clock. I'll bring him by your playhouse.
Fantastic.
See you there.